Good day everyone, welcome to my vlog. My name is Raymond Belmidora. Today we are diving to the exciting world of multimedia and ICT. Let's get started. First, let us know what is multimedia. Multimedia is a combination of word multi and media. Multi means many and media stands for different forms of communication. It refers to the presentation of information and instructions through a combination of text, audio, graphics, animations, and video. Now, let me share to you the basic elements of multimedia. Text, written word that convey information. Graphics, visual elements such as drawings, illustrations, and photographs. Audio, sound or music that enhance the multimedia experience. Video, moving image that can be used to demonstrations or storytelling. Animations, moving graphics or illustrations that add dynamic effects. Now, these are some examples of how multimedia is used in various fields: education, advertisement, and entertainment. Multimedia is used to create interactive learning materials like ebooks and educational videos that engage students. Multimedia is used in commercials, online banners, and interactive ads to convey message effectively. Movies, video games, and virtual reality experiences all rely heavily on multimedia elements to captivate audience. Now, let's move on to ICT. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It's all about technologies used to manage and communicate information. This includes computers, smartphones, internet, and related technologies. ICT is important in our daily lives and businesses. It allows us to communicate instantly through email, messaging apps, and video calls. It allows us to access a wealth of information online, making research and learning easier. It also allows us to automate and optimize processes in industries like manufacturing and finance. Understanding multimedia and ICT is crucial in today's digital world. They shape how we get information, connect with others, and innovate across industries. That's all for today's vlog on the introduction to multimedia and ICT. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.